Now these just drop down in here. I guess you could leave them in there for the moment. So the next will be to take this off. It's obviously going to have to go that way. That looks like a 9/16 to release the nut. This is available with a telescoping taper attachment, which I unfortunately don't have. I'd love it, but I don't have it. And realistically, you know, I've only probably turned 4 tapers, and the first one I just did by eye and it actually worked out, but I was just lucky. Alright, so this should just slide right off. So I'll put this, there's not much here, but we'll put it in a bag called saddle. Oh, there's a piece on the back, perhaps I'll remove first. Now it's not too bad a shape, except for the oilers. They're a Gits oil cap of some sort. And I did a quick look on the internet, and there's no place here in Canada that I've been able to find so far. I'm sure there must be something somewhere. So, I don't know. I don't even know if there's really as a design for some kind of a Zerk, but oh. Alright. Not too bad. A little messy. Let's see what it looks like. In terms of wear. Oh, it's interesting. There's some machining on the gib here. Well, I guess it's probably for the oil. It's where the oil ways come through the saddle. Slightly more wear on this. It looks to be even. No scratches or anything. Just the scraping is pretty much worn down on it. Alright, what kind of corruption have we got in here? All kinds of stuff. Okay. Now this looks like it's a little square-headed bolt that retains this screw. So let's take it off. That's to be about 5/16. Let's try 3/8. Even it's too. Yeah, 5/16. No idea how far that has to go to retain that. We do know that stop before it hits that knob, the selector knob. There's junk in there. It's not too bad though. Now, the trick is to be careful with this. You don't want to bend it. Damage it. It's the left-handed thread. So this is what a refurbished lathe is, eh? I don't think so. Now, okay, now. I have to figure out the best way of taking that off. Looks like it's held to this assembly here by 4 hex bolts. So if I remove those bolts, I can probably slide right off. Alright, bigger one to do. Of course, it's all caked with paint. Knock it in to break the paint. I'm not getting it not too bad. Make sure you get it in there all the way. That one came out even easier. Blow the crud away before you extract the bolt. Could use compressed air, but my wife's full of hot air anyways. Yeah. lots of crap in that. Come on. You just painted over everything that was just stuck down in the thing there. I'm gonna need a bigger bag for this one. So 3/8 bolts. Okay, I moved things around so you can see the back of the lathe. I've taken off 3 of these nuts, or lock nuts, or 9/16 across the flats. This is the last one right here. And once that's off, we should be able to take the saddle off the lathe. It's held by those 4 bolts on the other side. There's a couple of locating dowels or pins that hold it into place as well. So there is that. Alright. And that's it. Heavy and messy.